Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Set on a spacious quarter-acre lot. This impressive 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom home blends luxury with comfort. This home is located at Kolanut Crescent in Spur, Manchester, and has floor space of approximately 4,000 square feet. Upstairs features 2 master suites with large walk-in closets, along with 4 generously sized bedrooms. The main floor offers elegant living and dining areas, a well-appointed kitchen, and a convenient powder room. Outdoor living shines with 2 front and 2 back verandas overlooking beautiful St. Elizabeth. A single garage provides secure parking. The ground floor includes a private 1-bedroom suite with its own living, dining, kitchen, and laundry, ideal for guests, extended family, or rental income. Designed for privacy and flexibility, this home is perfect for a refined lifestyle. Call to schedule your viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 435,000, Jamaican 68.6 million, Canadian 622.6 thousand, or £338,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.